Crew Management System, Knowledge in CMS and its applications and modifications. Previously, Crew Management System is an independent system, and now it is a network-based system, which is developed by the CRIS. Introduction. Introduction of crew management system. Crew management system is aimed to provide information regarding the crew around the clock, and it provides the information regarding the home station, outstation, maintain the status wise records, assign crew to the trains, maintain the information regarding the periodic and other rates, road learning, traffic traction knowledge, training scheduling, PME, DR actions, etc. The all total together to be fed in the biodata of the crew. Crew management system has been developed with the following objectives: optimal utilization of crew by maintaining updated inventory of crew at home stations and outstations, scheduling and assigning the most suitable crew to a train after keeping in view the various factors like the type of traction required, the sections to be covered, etc. And traction, diesel or AC, will be fed in the biodata. According to that, it will be bifurcated while booking the crew. To ensure timely availability of the required crew, user can monitor or view various road learning and other training schedules, due dates of promotions, refresher courses for a crew operating certain locomotives of all traction and gauges. While booking the crew, whether the road learning is there or not, PME due or refresher due, the everything will be checked by the crew management system. Scheduling periodical rest of the crew based on the total duty hours calculated from the beginning the present fortnight, 14 days of the fortnight. Serve as a tool to a call crew automatically. You can book the crew automatically. Calculate and monitor the crew productivity by calculating total hours duly worked, the mileage, and this will be calculated by the fortnight. However, the crew is worked from 1 to 14 days, that will be calculated as a mileage earned period, and total working hours and OT hours will be calculated based on the fortnight. Monitoring of 9 hours or 10 hours duty and HOA areas by providing the prior information of the crew and past trend analysis of the sections. In which section 9 hours is more and 10 hours is more. Based on that, the crew can be monitored 9 hours and 10 hours. To keep a check and control payment of for overtime and other allowances. Act as a tool to make a crew abuse more or less paperless. CMS system is role based workflow oriented software which requires user carry out the various steps of the workflow one time by the person responsible. The user cannot skip any of the steps. Before booking the crew, we have to obtain the details from the station master, and whatever the details we have to obtain from the station master, that will be fed in the CMS by traffic TA. Traffic supervisor creates a TA, and based on the availability of the crew cannot be booked or served call till TA is created. Once TA is created, the TA cannot be deleted, and it can be bypassed, but it cannot be deleted. Once the call has been served to the crew, has to acknowledge the call. Crew can be acknowledge the call by using SMS or through phone. Call acknowledgement information is fed by the crew through SMS and automatic mode manually by the TNC and the paper call mode. Unless the crew has been acknowledged, the crew cannot sign on into the system. Once the crew is acknowledged, it will be accepted by the CMS. Once the crew has signed on, the supervisory the crew is signed on. Whether the crew is BA, he will be conducted BA and thumb impression. Whether the crew is correct or not. Previously, it was checked by the without breath analyzer and thumb. Now it is implemented with breath analyzer and thumb. So the system will be accepted by the person who is signing on. It will be created one image into the database. Whenever we need to check up, we can retrieve the data along with the sign on data or sign up data. So supervisor can be directly approve it whether he can be accepted or not. Why the supervisor is accepted? When crew is getting BA positive, immediately the percentage amount will be reflected into the supervisor. He will be rejected and will be sent to the rest. The crew sign off and other end it has to perform the journey as per the call served particulars. As the system declines him sign off. That's correct. The crew sign off is required to be approved by the supervisor, and sign on, whatever the sign on will be accepted, the same thing is sign off will be accepted. Twice a day, 2 hours and 14 hours presently, all sign off crew approved movements are credited in the running allowance. Planning control. This is here the freight and shunter and coaching. The module itself, it is containing the freight, shunter, coaching modules. In freight modules and shunter modules, coaching module. Freight module total based on the TIA module. Shunter and coaching modules is based on the coaching link module. This is the link module. Scheduling mandatory requirements, PME, refreshed, automatic, the like that. It is the mandatory requirements. Safety circulars, cautionary, whether it is going to read cautionaries or not, any safety circulars is there, it will be reading by using safety circulars. And crew quiz, it nothing but a quick. The one of the option was provided in the lobby, and separate system was providing in all crew booking lobbies for playing of quiz. Gradation of crew be giving by the loco inspector. So before that, he will be allocating the marks by allocating them. He will be allocating the marks. By obtaining the marks, the crew will be graded A, B, C. Analysis. The crew can be analyzed by utilization of the crew and overtime, outstation rest and home station rest. Crew balancing. Others. This is called totally based on the SMS call acknowledged by the supervisor. This totally touch screen, sign on, sign off, and BA, whether BA is temporarily to be disconnected and thumb temporarily disconnected, it will be done by the others only. Employee self-subsidy. This totally based on the CMS, planning and controls, others, and safety. This list of CMS modules and features developed: freight, coaching, shunting, suburban, crew console, LI console, coaching pilot, SMS, CMSL. The password management system. Once the password is forgotten, the password can be resetted by the admin, like loco supervisor. This is having the loco supervisor, loco TNC, and guard TNC, like that it will be providing. So only loco supervisor can, loco module, lobby module can be changed by the password management. Universal reports and centralized complaint logging and crashing. Mailing system and TNC both cannot be done. Only lobby configuration can be done. LR configuration and which section to be added, that can be done by using central server. The server totally database will be saved in the one place. Here the FOIS network. At present, the FOIS network data will be included in the crew management system. Everywhere we can see in the loco supervisor can observe FOIS arrival, train arrival, like that it is showing. Now they are integrating with FOIS, COIS and CMS. Three servers can be integrated with one services only. Here SMS gateway, whatever the SMS we are feeding from the lobby console, that SMS gateway, through SMS gateway it will be going to the servers and it will be reached to the crew, it will be reached to the crew, and the databases will be maintaining one places and it will be merged one way, one to others, and it will be sent to the thin clients. But we are using only thin clients. Why we are using thin clients with Linux based thin clients? Because of it is a virus free operating system is Linux, so that we are using thin clients. Maximum applications are using with thin clients only. Freight. Previously I said freight coaching. The freight crew booking takes place by religion by following serious steps. These are followed. Traffic advice. Previous we have to create a traffic advice. Crew booking based on the TA. After creating TA only, we can call the crew. We can serve the crew, and after crew giving call, so immediately we can call the crew, and the crew has been, I am coming for duty, so immediately call acknowledgement will be giving by the crew. Crew sign on at the kiosk. While after coming to the crew, he will be going to the kiosk and signing on. Without TA, he will be going. He will not going to sign on. So after signing on only, after acknowledgement only, crew can be done by the sign on with the kiosk. After signing on, while signing on, it will ask BRIA and thumb. This is the security reasons. Previously it was not there. Now it was, everything is added, and it was added with cameras also. Whether the crew is correct or not, I'll be based on that. Whenever we required, we can find out whether randomly right persons are coming or not can be calculated by using this system. So supervisor sign on approve. After signing on, the supervisor can be approved by the whether he is correct person or not, and BA if anything is wrong with the kiosk he can be rejected and signed for the example. So BA is coming positive, so the percentage is giving, so immediately the kiosk is showing is red color. So supervisor can be reject the signing on, immediately he will send for signing off. After 8 hours or 4 hours rest, again he will be booked, and after proper checking, signing same way the signing off also can be done by the crew. Here the tabs, two type of tabs by using the loco consoles and supervisor freight consoles. Here you can observe this is the TNC. TNC will be having very less restrictions, and supervisor is having total facilities, and TA he can be created, and sign on approval, sign off approval can be done by the only loco supervisor. Loco the TNC can be booked here, the freight console is there, here only the crew can be booked and acknowledge whether the crew is coming for duty or not. Here swap is crew is there, because the train whether the persons right the two persons has came the duty, but one person is sick or shifted to one train to another train, immediately we can swap the crew one train to another train. As same as TA train enquiry. Train enquiry nothing but where the train is, where the train, this is the latest feature of the train enquiry, this can be discussed later. In supervisor control we can find out non-run, PAD, PDD, abnormality, the so many features, crew on LR, train enquiry, the features can be explained. Here the flow diagram we can see the crew booking. First we have to create the traffic advice by using traffic supervisor or loco supervisor, whatever it may be, that can be booked. Immediately after train can be crew can be booked. Once booked the crew by using the TA, immediately he will give call serve to the crew, and call serve the crew can be acknowledged. If the crew is rejected, the crew immediately he will be kept in under maybe under in under LR or something, absent or sick will be kept into the after rejecting the crew, or absent will be keeping into the after rejecting the crew acknowledgement. After the when he call can be acknowledged, immediately he will be booked into the crew signing on. After accepting the system of kiosk, immediately it will be sent to the supervisor console. The supervisor console can be accepted by the crew signing on process. Once he will be signing on, the signing off can be done by here and other places, anywhere can be done by the sign off. The sign off also can be approved by the supervisor approval. TA, this is the TA form. The TA form is the automatic number, control TA number, loco functionality, ordering time, at what time we are ordering, train pulling section. This is section from where to where, and to station where we are going, route, which route we are going, traction, electrical, diesel, duty type, which type, working or pilot, service type, freight or coaching or shunting or ballast train. Some engineering specials are also working from service, so the type of services will be mentioned here. Whether crew required pilot or assistant loco pilot, or pilot plus pilot, or pilot, assistant loco pilot and guard. The three can be booked at a time, and the train number, loco number and loco type. This loco number also is integrated with the voice. Now in future we cannot require this loco number directly, we can book with the loco number as accordingly. Here the crew can be first in, first available, first out, and first in, first out. Both procedures are there. And progressive hours. Progress hours are periodical progress hours. This cumulative hours per the fortnight. First available, first out, or first in, first out to be configured by increase by division console only, as per the request of railway. In case of TNC does not select the crew, in order to register it has to enter the reason for violating the rule. Once the crew is not booked, the crew as per first person is available, immediately the first person has to be selected. If we are not selecting the person, immediately here you can see the first person loco pilot, and here the first person to be selected. Otherwise, if we are selecting other person, immediately we have to give the reason for violating the rule, and as per the rule the first person to be selected, and as well as the first assistant loco pilot to be selected. If the first loco pilot was not acknowledged, not accepted the call booking, immediately he will booked. First we have to keep this person into the absent, or whether he may be in sick to or leave to be kept, then only we can book to the second row. Then fetch as per rule. If we have booked a second person, the reason to be given exactly, and the various colors also indicating will be normal background, as sky blue background, red background, yellow background. Normal background, crew he is presently under rest, and who is available time before ordering time for gain. So he is readily available, now we can book the crew. Sky blue background crew, he is presently under PR, and who is available time is after ordering time of train. Now he is in the PR, is available for ordering the train. Gray crew is presently under normal rest, and who is available time will be after ordering the time. Yellow brown, who is presently under rest but on future non-run. Red color, with the test or training LR loco competency overdue cases. Pink ground, crew with LR due within next 7 days. So the total cases is not showing here, but it will be showing with the background colors. Fetch crew as per rule. Below the list parameters only by using the fetch as crew as per rule. As per rule, nothing but crew should be first person and first loco pilot, assistant loco pilot, first persons to be selected, and second person should not be selected as per the rule. Only first person. As per the first, it will be default preview. As here I am showing the first person both. This is the both. If we are selecting second person, crew as it is not a crew as per rule. Crew fetch as per rule, it will be going under the fetch as per rule and giving the proper reason for booking the second crew. Once the crew is for he is very much required for coaching some other special, by the approval of supervisor only we can take to the second option, second crew. Crew is not due for PME. While booking crew, as per rule, crew is not due for PME and refresh T. T nothing but transport, G and SR. So PME and G and SR, refresher transport. So crew should be required traction, AC or diesel properly, he should be required. He should have required logo competency. He is well trained in the loco. LR, proper LR is there or not. Safety circulars is any due is there. Automatic competency certificate is valid or not. Crew should not be under rest. Crew should be in the available only. Then only crew it will be come under the crew. Fetch was shown the he is the red indication like that LR due. So easily we can find out LR due. Here also we can find out the message is show. Otherwise we can book directly from like this. Crew is due on so and so date. After booking the crew, call service will be giving with the proforma, then accept the crew. The proforma will be showing automatically to the TNC or loco supervisor. After accepting the crew, it will be giving accepting crew sir call sir, then it will be going directly to the signing on tab. On receiving the crew acknowledgement, acceptance or rejection entered by the booking clerk after crew acknowledgement. Previously I said whether the crew is accepted or rejected. The crew, after accepting the crew acknowledgements, immediately here we will give acceptance. He directly it will goes to the signing on. If they are not acknowledged, call rejected will be taken place. Supervisor sign on behalf of the crew. In many cases, when lobby is not having connectivity due to network or application issue, crew is required to signing on manually and proceed for journey. However, lobby has to complete the signing on behalf of the crew to complete the application flow, as crew cannot signing at destination till he has signing on from the starting point is complete. To authorize the lobby to signing on for crew, following facility has been provided. Once the crew goes to the system layer for any reason and is booked on some TA, a new form will be given supervisor signing on crew. Supervisor will be asked to confirm following signing on takes place please confirm takes place and confirm the following. Signing on time, BA token number, BA value, crew has read circulars, crew is carrying glasses or not, crew has passed BA test, crew is carrying personal mobile or not, reason for signing on by supervisor, I take the responsibility of crew and signing on. 20, the network may be failed in the lobbies. This is a continuity process, and whenever it network fails, so the train may late, so that the following data to be submitted to the loco supervisor, and loco supervisor will be feed it into the loco supervisor console as previously I was shown, and what are the times is available, and BA token number, and carrying glasses or not, any other phone number is available, that records can be collected and feeded in by the loco supervisor. Loco supervisor can be obtained by this form. He will be selected the crew name and designation and the loco number. What are the details obtained from the crew? The total details will be feeded here, and his personal mobile, any remarks will be added. Reason for signing on supervisor due to failure of network will be added here. Reason for signing on supervisor. After that, supervisor approval will be taken place. Supervisor will approve signing on bar of stating that crew has met all the mandatory requirements, like refresher, diesel refresher, transport, nothing but GNSR, PME, automatic competency, everything. Mandatory requirements to be completed, then it will be going to the supervisor approval. The crew cannot signing off at destination if the supervisor did not approve at his signing on. Similarly, a crew status cannot change to rest unless the supervisor at destination lobby approves his signing off. In case there is any discrepancy in signing off approval form, he can change the signing off to manual data entry to enter the correct data. Reason needs to be fed in the system for any such changes into the system. Here, once the crew is signing off only, it will be going into the under rest. Then it will be cleared the rest, and accordingly we can book the crew. Once the crew is not signing off, or in any reason the system is not working, so immediately he will be going. Once he cannot able to signing on at other stations, immediately after that a manual sign off can be done by the home station, so that the data can be fed by the home station lobby persons. PDD, pre-departure detention. Pre-departure detention, this is also retrieved from the FOIS. The train details also obtained from the FOIS departure time, FOIS arrival time will be included recently, so that automatically PDD will be calculated. If both can be added, so no need of entry of loco supervisor. The time of departure of the train is to be entered into the CMS system with correct loco numbers. This activity to be done by the supervisor on departure of the train. PDD is calculated based on the difference between train departure times. This is to be avoided miscalculation of if the crew arrives earlier than signing on time and the crew is actual signing on time. This is to be avoid miscalculation in case crew is late signing on. This is nothing but train arrival minus signing on. The difference between signing on and train arrival is nothing but PDD. PAD, pre-arrival detention. The time of train arrival and departure has to be filled into the CMS system by the supervisor, nothing but loco supervisor. PAD is calculated on the basis of difference between train arrival and signing on. The difference between signing on and train arrival. This is calculated the detention of train for the crew signing or train waiting for crew. The train arrival time is also fetched from the FOIS data. This is also the FOIS arrival time. This is included CMS and COIS and CMS, the three included in the same database structure, so that whenever it is clicked, the data the data will be automatically, when the loco number is correct, the data will be automatically fetched in the columns. Swap the crew. Previously I said the TA is booked with LP and ALP with previously. The ALP is not going with the same person, or LP is not going with the same ALP. They can be swapped. LP to ALP, ALP to LP can be swapped together. manual data entry for the crew movement. After completion of crew movement, whether the crew is worked from one place to another place directly, the system will be calculated automatic mileage. Otherwise, when the crew is worked in irrespective of stations and sidings and shunting, manual data entry must be needed, and they can done by the loco supervisor or loco TNC. Loco TNC can choose to enter the crew movement details manually. Manual data entry for the crew movements is performed either when journey performed by the crew is as per modified TA, or when the crew is worked with non-commissioned logis or such TA which have not been closed. Previously I said the system outstation CMS was not working, so immediately the crew was not signing off there, and the crew from here only signing on, and the same home station will be going to signing off. Then he will be done manual data signing off, so that the data will be feeding by using the CTR combined train report, so that the data will be updated in the database, and he will be going to the rest, and immediately he will be available after 16 hours of the rest. When the crew ID is entered, the last details of TA crew is displayed. Various validation of checks has been enabled. The checks are between signing on, signing off time of the same run, and signing off time in the next run. In case of trust values entered, each runs are incorrect, the system corrects it. There is a facility of update associated crew run along with the same entry by selecting checkbox provides associated crew. Nothing but updated associated crew, nothing but when the LP is booked with same ALP, sometimes the swap is going on, because one ALP is worked with another LP, and LP is shifted to another train, so relieving some other person, like that. If we book like that, immediately the persons can be fetched together, so that independently we have to feed the database. Once the one have to book crew, LP and ALP booked according through proper channel, so that updated as both LP and ALP data will be updated automatically. On selection of this checkbox, all entries will be made first crew is also self to the another crew, and both entries will be made with signing off details are saved in one account only. This is the crew ID will be showing here. Once we called crew ID, automatically the data will be showing where he was signing on, and what are the when he was signing on, whether BA value is there or not, and everything will be showing here. Where he is working mail bar express, or working train, freight or goods or passenger train, or any department train will be showing here with along with the loco number and loco type. Here we can feed the data and add it. The PME logic will be the PME logic adopted by the railway board by guidelines of the so-and-so medical exam issued by the letter number of 88H5 dated 24 to 99. As per the letter number, the PME logic was created by the CRIS, and according to this the system will be calculating the PME, and due will be showing while before signing on, and the loco supervisor and loco TNCs or CCs will be knowing when it based on the reports when he was due. 12 months before we can see the due dates also. Age greater than 40.9, due date after 4 years. Age between 41 to 43, due date of the age of 45 years. Age between 43.1 54, due date after 2 years. Age more than 54 years, it will be going to every 1 year. While signing up the crew, report the abnormality and abnormality feedback by feeding, or if they cannot be created, supervisor also can be feeding by here. Facility to report abnormality on behalf of the crew is provided to the supervisor. If the crew forgets to enter it the time of signing off, supervisor can fill the abnormality as per the feedback from crew. This feedback from is going now engineering department, S&T department, traffic department. The totally the IDs was given to the concerned departments. So whatever the data we are feeding here, automatic reply will get to the loco supervisor by SMS. the data will be fed by the loco pilot while signing off. OHE, engineering, SNT, CNW, security, traffic, commercial, loco. Whatever the data is there, defect is there, that defect can be fed by the loco pilot or assistant loco pilot. Immediately the abnormality will goes to the control office, whoever the concerned person, whether it is engineering person, SNT, they can correct the data. The individual user IDs was given to engineering department and SNT department, CNW department. They can be updated data. Directly the data will be reflected into the CMS. So it is reflected into CMS, but we have to close by the loco supervisor. Whether it is received or not can be cross checked by the loco supervisor only. If it is not comes, directly they can contact the concerned persons. The report abnormality can be seen like this: crew ID, crew name, reporting time, kilometer from, kilometer to, description, status, pending, PN nothing but pending. Further, as per the feedback provided from the concerned department supervisor, can update the same remark against the each abnormality, save it as shown below. The further displays the crew activity as per the kiosk to the crew. It will be displaying here. According to that, we can check the movement of the train, exactly what is the movement of the, what the time of loco number is coming, whether it is status running or not, current status time, and current status, current station also it is showing where it is exactly. With the type of load also will be displaying here. Destination station, whether it is directly is coming to the Sanat Nagar or bypassing to anywhere, will be indicated here. User alerts. User has been provided the system alerts to get instant view of updated position for the lobby. Alerts are not reports, and users should not confuse between the two. Alerts, the small database queries essentially required to keep check the crew control and optimization. These alerts, coaching alerts, freight alerts, and shunting alerts. These alerts can be feeded by the loco supervisor only. What if the crew does not turn up on duty even after call acknowledgement? The crew will go to system later. Crew is booked at 10 hours, but crew has came at 10:30. After 30 hours, system goes to the crew. The crew goes to system non-run directly, so he cannot be signing on until loco supervisor approves, and then only it will goes to he has to bring system late to normal, then only he can be booked the crew. Is loco competency route learning particulars updated at the end of the each run? Yes, they are updated end of the each run on supervisor approval. Crew console. At present now loco supervisor, loco TNC has been seen. Now we can see the crew console, what is going here. The crew console is nothing but totally, crew console is based on the kiosk only. So signing on, caution order, train particulars, signing on confirmation, crew identification, and train particulars, rest particulars, sign off confirmation. Signing on, signing off. When signing off is done, then immediately it will goes to the same station signing off, or other station will goes to the signing off. Signing on only in case has been acknowledged the crew. When signing on only, supervisor can be acknowledged, then only he can be goes to the signing on. After signing in, he has to read the circulars. After reading the when he pending the circulars, he has to acknowledge the circulars, otherwise the signing on will not be done. Read all the circulars, then it will goes to the next. Train particular, he has to feed the loco number, train number, everything will be feeded, and after the signing on approval, before signing on approval, he has to done identification, BA and BA breath analyzer and eye capturing to be done before signing on confirmation. After that he will be goes to the signing on. Immediately he will goes to the signing off at the same station, other station. Here the signing off. So some of the signing off stations can be done there itself with the prescribed routes, because some prescribed route will be created. According to that, they can be signing off with a selection of route. By selection of, no need of no need of submission of CTR. Directly they can select the route, and they can be signing off. Here before loco supervisor not approved, crew status was called only, it is he has to acknowledge the crew, he has to accept the crew, then only the system will be accepting for signing on of the crew. He called but he forgotten to acknowledge the crew, call acceptance the crew, so that it is showing called only, it is not for signing on. This is the crew base module of the kiosk. Li id can be selected, supervisory id can be selected previously. Now we can here we see cautionary display also, whether the cautionary is available and which section 20 km page 30 km page, that this was already provided in the CMS, but this is not utilizing in anywhere. Cautionary as per CYA, the cautionary will be saving like that, and we can feed into the server, but this can be done by the division cautionary only, division console user only. Presently it was not there. And after that loco signing on, loco number, breath analyzer number, and what are the time information is there, whether the carrying person, previously I was shown any personal spectacles is there, the crew signing on screen will be showing like this. After signing on it will be goes signing on successfully completed. Circulars, the circulars can be uploaded by the division console only. The division console, our division console is Secunderabad division, and Secunderabad lobby, and Secunderabad lobby persons will be scanned copy will be directly uploaded into the circulars, and the LI biodata also uploaded here also. And here we can add delete, user can be added and user can be deleted by using the division console only. The circulars, safety circulars, technical SOBs, and diesel SOBs and others, everything will be compulsory. We have to read all the circulars, then only we can eligible for signing on. Signing on bar signing off. Crew has to sign after completing running duty. Signing off activities carried out in the lobby, the presence of prayer. Some procedures like signing on is to be followed. Crew has to log in with his CMS ID into the kiosk, and the crew activity he has to select signing on bar off tab. Previous live version signing on bar signing off tab, that will be showing here. After while signing off, as soon as crew has been signing off button, below mentioned pop-up will be displayed. Abnormality, is there any abnormality is there, we can select the abnormality, feed abnormality as per the department, whether it is going to engineering, SNT, CNW, security reasons, whatever the department is there, as per the department we can update the details. The crew has signing off on the crew console must have signed on to the system, and the kiosk is signing on should have been approved by the signing on station supervisor. Crew is first asked about the working condition of VCD device. Was vigilance control device in loco is working, yes or not? While going to signing off it will ask. Crew signing off page will be displayed. Here the selection, we can see the selection of the route. Previously I was discussed about the route. Once the one shuttling crew, example for Secunderabad, Sanat Nagar, Secunderabad, otherwise Bidar, Humnabad, Bidar, the section will be previously it was created, and that can be added into the route. It will be automatically selected by the crew, so that CTR feeding time will be minimized. Here it is asking energy meter reading, enter shunting details, and SFC SEC details also will be added here. Modification can be done at the time of signing up. Route can be changed, any route can be, we are booked only Chitapur, but we will go to the Kajipet signing off, or shuttling, we can book, we are booked for Kajipet, but we can select the section, signing on signing off section route can be selected, and signing off directly at the lobby. And if the loco number is missing, the crew can be updated. Loco number is not 11111, some booking persons will be feeding the loco number is 11111235 like that they are feeding, so that loco number can be changed by the crew. And energy readings also can be updated. Banker loco details, energy meter readings. Now it is energy meter readings is very much important for everywhere. Previous it is single loco, multi loco is not taken, now it is taking for multi locos also it is taking. Induced shunting details also can be added, number of shunts are done also can be added here. Last 5 SFC SEC, view last 5 SFC SEC. Crew can select 6 hours rest, 8 hours normal rest, and outstation for 20 outstation and 22 or 32 normal rest at headquarters. This can be feeded by the crew. Crew has to agree the personal details as mentioned. The what are the details previously mentioned that can be accepted by the user. After that he can be added the energy meter readings, a single loco or multi loco that can be added the fuel meter, and whether if it is in the electrical energy meter readings, if it is in diesel fuel particulars will be added here. And shunting details also can be added here, and shunting order memo will be a number will be added here, and at what station to what at X station to Y station we are proposing shunting, and the shunting can be added by the crew or the loco supervisor can be added by using loco trip sheet. If the crew can be submitted loco trip sheet, he can be added the shunting movement particulars. So the percentage of calculation will be showing here, SEC, SFC and regeneration how much it is showing here. Following fields have been already provided: energy fuel meter reading, start to end to GT gross ton, regenerative readings in fuel readings. If diesel locomotive, previously I was discussed about the diesel and the comparison between electrical and diesel, and loco status. Ultimately we can change the loco status, single loco, multiple loco. This sometimes in future we don't need any loco, I think so. It is connected with the FOIS and COIS. In coaching locos it is already it is included with RTIS, and Remlat is added already. That also to be added here also may be added, so that loco number will be automatically uploaded here. The data also maybe it is the data is getting through the Remlat and RTIS for coaching loss, that can be added in the loco status also. So at what time the blow timings also in future it may be at what time it is a blower soft time coasting kilometers span to lowering time, that can be added. Validations, energy and fuel meter readings. Rest while signing up. Based on the whether signing off at headquarters station, different type of rests are asked from the crew. The crew shall be demanded rest as per the rule, as supervisor sanction the rest. At present now outstation crew is headquarters station. What even though he have worked 8 hours or 10 hours or 12 hours, he is allotted 16 hours rest only. A fixed rest was given. Previously it was in the 12 hours rest and 16 hours. He worked less than 12 hours, he is allotted for 16 hours 12 hours rest. He worked more than 12 hours, he was allotted to the 16 hours rest. And all the wells under the crew kiosk have to be approved by the locals. The crew can select 6/8 or normal rest at outstation, and 22/30 or 30+2 normal rest at headquarters. And no 30+2 can be opted whether night is bed is not covering in one span. After completion of signing off, this signing off screen will be displayed like this. Approval by the supervisor. After signing off, directly the movement details will be goes to the loco supervisor. Loco supervisor has to approve the following particulars: be a token number approved, whether approved or not, mobile number, personal mobile number is added, that can be seen here. Loco inspector biodata. Loco inspector biodata can be updated in the divisional console only. The divisional console of Secunderabad, he can be added. Previously I discussed circulars was added, cautionary is added, but cautionary is not added. Circulars can be added, LI biodata can be created here. Any violation is abnormality can be updated here. Everything can be updating from here only. So loco supervisor ID can be created by using the divisional console only. Once the id is created, it will be goes to the, they can be alerted to the crew directly. Crew biodata can be updated by crew biodata can be updated by selecting the supervisors. So TA li kiosk sync as showing like this. The here previously version crew and loco inspector, traffic inspector. Here we can see loco inspector. Directly loco inspector will be their ID is personal ID will be created as per the ID number. So the it will be displayed. It will be goes to the consent crew. When while selecting the while feeding the biodata of the crew, we can update the loco inspectors names, and the loco inspectors names will be displayed here as allocation of the crew. It will be displayed in the loco inspectors module. The loco inspector can be alerted gradation of the crew and the counseling particulars and the crew movement. They can be done crew movement by using this kiosk or Chalakdal. Chalakdal app also is there for there, and SMS also is there for movement of the crew, and they can update the movement particulars of counseling or movement and gradation of the crew can be directly done by using the kiosk or mobile. And they can see the personal details, and by selection of these details they can be added, they can be counseled. Here we can see the selection of the loco pilot, and when they was counseled, last counseling date, current status is rest or now at present he is in rest or signing on, signing off. The status will be displayed here. The following activities can be performed by the loco supervisor. Loco supervisor can be done by these activities. The crew can be graded for their performance. Counseling particulars and gradation particulars can be done by using this, and remarks can be added into the particular crew console. It will be added into the crew while signing up the crew. They can see loco inspector remark also they can find out. When the loco inspector is feeded any remarks, it can be directly reflected into the loco pilot or assistant loco pilot performance signing off menu. Loco inspector can monitor the movement. Their movements also they can be monitored, the particulars where he is, where he was available, where he was going. The particulars also can be selected by using the concerned loco inspector console. The loco inspector can see the personal details of nominated loco pilot or assistant loco nominated loco pilot. Now the nominated loco pilots only it is available in the system. It is the available loco pilot names only it is accepting. The only we can see the loco pilot names by allocation of this. They can be graded. They can be graded for only loco pilots. Assistant loco pilots it will not be, as N shunters it will not be there. Only loco pilots only it will be nominated with, and they can be graded them. The crew can be done quiz by using the quick. So how many marks they are, the quick can be observed by the loco supervisor, and the quiz questions can be added by the division console only. Well, check whether the nominated crews are reading circulars, can change his password, can report abnormality on behalf of the crew. If crew unable to report them when he was traveling along with the crew, he also can be report the abnormality by using his movement particulars. Nomination of crew for each loco inspector. So each loco inspector is having a concern certain loco pilots as per the based on the IDs they can be elected to the concerned loco inspector. Each LI will be elected by the unique ID based on the lobby. Once because Secunderabad lobby is having only the local inspector is having only SC. The division itself they are having only SC and their then identification number. So crew is having the consent depots is there, so that crews can be Sanat Nagar, Secunderabad, Bidar, like that it will be there. But local inspector is only divisional console, so that local inspector is having only SC. He is not having any other more depots. Only the as per divisional console ID it will be created. Local inspector grading particulars. He can be graded by using the marks. Driving techniques 25 marks. Knowledge safety rules. After counseling him, after counseling our movement of particulars, and after movement of 2-3 trips, and he will be updated the loco grading particulars. So once once he was graded, whether A, B, C graded will be stored into the CMS biodata, as well as his report console also it will be added. So whenever data is retrieving from the report, whether a previous allocation of grade and now present what is grade is running will be showing to the concerned local inspector. And gradation also will be showing like that: A grade 20 marks, B grade 18, 80 and above A grade, 60, less than 60 to 80 B grade, 50 to 60 C grade, below 50 D grade. But at present D grade was not there, totally it is under C grade only, D grade was not there. This console describes the process of booking of coaching trains. Now it is freight trains totally it is over. Now coaching trains will be is very easy for booking. Now we can add by selection of tabs. Previously we selected the freight tab, now we can select the coaching tab. Coaching tab, when we have selected the coaching tab, directly they can create the link. Previously here direct, no need of selection of crew and TA, nothing will be there. Here once we can create the link, as per the link the crew can be booked. Create how we can book the coaching link: create, edit link, select the crew to the link. When he is accepted, initialize the crew link, call serve will be going on, and immediately local 3 and 6 will be booked the crew. If it is not manual selection, means directly call serve, directly we can create we can go to the manual selection and we can book the crew. If a crew goes on non-run, he can be changed crew from link crew. When he is going to absent or leave somewhere, he has to change the link. This is a quiz. Quiz nothing but in this quick is they are given in the CMS crew management system. So quick nothing but directly the option is available in the crew loco pilots menu. Everybody knows already, we have seen. Here the division console can be added in the questions, English or Hindi. The selection, by selection of language we can add the questions. As per the selection we can log in with our ID, and we can select the English or Hindi, and level 1, level 2, level 3 also will be there in that. As per the level 1 the questions will be declared, and where technical questions or genders or questions, based on that we can select it and submit the data. We can ask the easy here, level 1 nothing but easy, medium, difficult. The two selections will be there. One means easy, level 2 means medium, level 3 means difficult. Once we can submit the data, we can see the questions, how many we are corrected answers, how many we are wrong pass answers, how many balance questions will be there. The questions whatever we are updated here, that will goes to the concerned loco inspector for their performance, to review their performance. Thank you.